in our heart. Ay ito, ako. Isit aside nato. Sugara, kung waray Ginoo, kung waray grasya Ginoo, waray ako. Kaya waray man kita, kung waray Ginoo. Namdamin, asang Ginoo, for without me, we can do nothing. Dere, kung waray inin akong gusto, kung diri ako bright, kung di ako maharap, kung diri ako kubihan, kung waray grasya Ginoo, waray na natin. Types of temptation. We have done with the source of temptation. We have done with the methods of temptation. And number 3, we have now on types of temptation. Next Sunday again, we'll have our continuation on atong Sunday school. So we'll have our 5 minutes break, and after that we'll go.
Pareho man ito na akong bado. Ano? Kita, badoan.